Hey everybody, Matt and Field Trip here from Zpacks, and this is the Arc Haul Ultra. The Ultralight Arc Haul Ultra is innovatively designed to be a true workhorse from the Sierras to the Shenandoahs, where long days between resupplies requires a pack designed with both ample space and durability. Our custom curved carbon fiber air stays, combined with a Lycra back panel, create a gap between your back and the pack, while transferring the pack weight to your hips. The gap helps keep your back cool, while also preventing items from rubbing against you while hiking. The frame pieces and Lycra back panel can easily be removed or replaced. The Arc Haul Ultra is made from black Ultra 200 fabric, with optional weight-saving accent colors and Ultra 100 fabric. The material features a woven, ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene face fabric, laminated to a waterproof backing. The Ultra fabric boasts extremely high abrasion and tear resistance and is the strongest and most durable fabric we offer. All seams on the Arc Haul Ultra are taped, making the pack highly water resistant. Designed with through hiking in mind, our 60 and 70 liter pack sizes have enough space for 5 to 10 days worth of food respectively, while still leaving enough space for all your ultralight gear. All standard Bear canisters, including the Barricade Expedition and the Bear Vault 500, will fit vertically in the upper half of the 60 liter Arc Haul Ultra. There is enough extra girth to either wrap a foam pad or puffy around the canister, or stand a medium stuff sack vertically beside the Bear canister. These same Bear canisters will fit horizontally in the 70 liter Arc Haul Ultra. The pack comes in 3 different adjustable torso height ranges. The belts are interchangeable and come in 5 different sizes. The hip belt is attached securely and directly to the frame, providing a full wraparound of your back, and feature 2-way adjustable V-webbing, providing an excellent transfer of the pack's load. The Arc Haul Ultra features a roll-top closer that keeps water out and allows you to compress the top of your pack as your gear load shrinks. Use the provided top strap to lash items to the top of your pack, or upgrade to the optional V-top strap to allow you to carry a Bear canister or other heavier items. The large stretchy Lycra mesh center pocket is great for storing items that you'd want to access quickly, like rain gear, food, or a shelter. Both the shoulder straps and belt are constructed from comfy 3/8-inch foam padding and feature a daisy chain to attach optional items like our popular shoulder pouches, water bottle sleeves, and belt pouches. The underside of the strap and belt feature 3D mesh, which provides additional cushioning and added texture for better grip. The shoulder straps can easily be moved up or down with our patented adjustment system that allows you to achieve a perfect fit. The straps also feature a sternum strap that can be moved up or down as needed. Load lifters and base straps come standard on the Arc Haul Ultra. Compression straps on the side of the pack also come standard and can be used to store taller items or combined with the top strap to compress the pack down when the full volume is not needed. The Arc Haul Ultra side pockets are large and sized to fit a standard 1 liter bottle or 2 tall 1 liter bottles. Featuring an elastic opening and a drain hole for wet days on the trail, the pockets are positioned low on the pack and slanted forward for accessibility. Along the sides and front of the pack, you will find a variety of loops for attaching optional add-ons like our top side pockets, shock cord lashing, and ice axe loops. Well, that covers all the features and benefits of the Arc Haul Ultra backpack. For more information, click the link in the corner or in the description below. If you have any additional questions, please leave a comment or reach out to us at zpacks.com. Don't forget to hit subscribe to stay up to date on the latest product information, gear overviews, and our upcoming adventures. Until then, see you outside.